Tengo una rubia que tiene grande la teta. Quiere que yo se lo meta. Arrebatado dando vueltas en la jipeta. Conmigo una rubia tiene grande la teta. Quiere que se lo meta. Arrebatado dando vueltas en la jipeta.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? It's an ugly day in LA. There's a bunch of fires happening in California, so that's why LA is super smoky. I just got out of work not too long ago, and I'm rushing to go to Marina Del Rey to meet up with Elwig and everyone else. It's his birthday today, so he rented out a little boat, and they're all out there drinking. I don't know what they're doing, but I'm gonna go meet up with them and see what's good for the day. So we'll see what happens. Who do we see, huh? Who do we hear? Look at these guys living it up.
I'm not even hearing it.
Pouring it up.
Oh, you want to see something?
We made it!
Take a shot! Take a shot! It's from the bottle, dog. You gotta catch up.
A little one. Just like a little baby.
My boy on the field. He made it on the boat. My boy's on the boat.
Hey,
It's recording already? Oh.
I didn't drop it! I didn't drop it! They didn't think about me because they didn't give me a modelo.
Ah, ain't no modelos in there. They weren't thinking about him.
No way.
I thought about him.
This is my boy. Happy birthday.
Oh, my boy. Ayo.
Damn.
Perrito, wow, wow. Perrito, wow, wow. Oh, hey, hey.
Just introduction to this guy is Elwig's brother, Heinrich. Mr. El Capitan.
They called me Capitan.
First time driving the boat or riding a bout?
Riding and driving, baby.
Oh, shit.
Cheers, Noah.
Cheers, cheers. Elwig's birthday. Hey, this is a sick ass anchor.
Hey, we ain't going nowhere with this motherfucker.
Drop that.
Give me that bitch.
Ajo, pa' adentro, pa' centro.
Hey, hey, I got you.
He's really good.
Passing the shots around.
Hey, 40 proof.
Take a shot, take a shot.
Pretty good.
Hey, we staying clean.
COVID
We staying
precaution.
clean.
Why are you recording me?
Get
That tongue action. Hey, this is how I eat the booty.
Let me find out you don't look at him. He's actually eating it. You fucking bitch. Look at him.
What?
Yeah, a little caquito right here. Little caquito, bro.
No,
I like this.
no, dingleberry.
Dingleberry.
That Dingleberry never hurt nobody. Damn, what you doing over there, girl? Chill out.
I don't know. I got something to say. Hey, you know how girls are into like that dip, right?
I know.
What if we invent like a dick dip?
Someone cut this man off. Cut this man off.
Whoa!
Trying to drive the boat here.
I have an idea. What if me and like obviously I throw this out on Twitter, on Instagram, whatever, a bunch of friends, we all rent one of these boats and like we all take over wherever the fuck we are. Fucking Marina Del Rey. I think that'd be pretty cool.
Long Beach too.
I think that'd be pretty cool, don't you think? Like don't you think if I invited a bunch of people, like, and we all rent out these boats a day, and then we're all just mobbing in the fucking ocean.
Dog, that'd be fun. Yeah, the Dutchman.
I might do that. Maybe next year. I need the stripper pole right here.
Just be honest.
I hear my boy.
Oh my god, I want to be
Go, what, on a scale of 1 to 10, how fucked up are you?
Let me drive the boat.
Hey, what are you pulling out from there?
I got a snake. Hey, you want to see a dead snake? I got a dead snake right here.
Hey, pour the cup. I want to see. Oh! Hey, it happens. I don't care, because it's not.
Hey, been there, done that. I don't give a fuck.
I've been through worse. Honestly, that's nothing right there. I'll fucking, look at this.
I'll penetrate that shit in my foot.
That's big drip. Big rich.
New diamonds on me, fucking flash this.
Oh, hey, oh.
My boy Howie. My boy Howie. Hey. One thing I'm not used to is being behind the camera when someone else is holding the camera. So I gotta get used to this because in the future I'm gonna have Melissa record me. Whether she likes it or not, she's gonna be the camera girl. So yeah, I'm pretty sure this shot's not even good. Watch. I don't condone this. YouTube, please don't censor me. I gotta change angles. I can't be here. I gotta be over here next to the piss. Look at the cup.
That's beer.
Hey, that's some clear piss, my boy.
I'm hydrated.
Hey, at least.
Park this big bad truck in the garage. Right? You don't park it in the little garage. It don't fit. Take the little thing in the back of your mouth. Fuck your mouth.
And I said it earlier, if my YouTube career does kick off, it's gonna be next to this guy, because either he makes everything funny or this guy is funny. One of the two for sure. His brothers in love.
We lost that motherfucker. We lost that motherfucker in the wind. He gone.
He's showing off his muscle. He's like, I'm
like this.
some hoes in this house. Help, there's some hoes in this house.
Nah, don't play the part, dog. No, it's too late. It's too late.
You ain't no hoe in this house, alright?
Oh, fuck, this is a workout. My abs are fucking burning. That's one shot. Whoa, we're on a roller coaster right now. Mystical Chronicles.
Hey, we done been here about once or twice already.
Oh, why are you covering your face for it? We already know who's on the boat. Oh, shit. Where's the pee? Oh, look, the pee's right there on the floor. There's pee on the floor, guys. Hey, there's pee on the floor, and it's Mystica's piss.
I don't know.
It's
Hey,
Mystica's
wait.
piss.
If I can say, I don't know whose piss this is. Like, I don't fucking know.
I mean, there's two variables,
And I'm not mad. I'm not mad.
and it ain't me. Round 2, baby! Hell yeah, baby, let's go!
She told me run it, I told her run. We don't give a fuck.
If that falls,
We don't give a fuck.
I mean, we do care, but
We do to a certain extent, of course. No, we do care. That we were,
That's how you feel.
we were saying we care to a certain extent. We love you, Val.
it's vlog stuff.
We love you, Val. We love you, Val. We were out saying, but if you fall,
It'd be good vlog stuff.
it's quality content. If she falls, quality.
All I have to say is, I don't know what the fuck is going on. I'm buzzed, and we're all having a good time, and everyone has to pee. And 3 people have peed on the boat. So, yeah.
We're there.
Everyone is so drunk, and I need to fucking pee.
My boobs are popping out, so.
All I gotta say is we left the boat so fucked. I don't even know, like, what to say. Mystica can't even walk straight. That's the first thing. I need to fucking pee. My pants are falling down.
Come on.
Hey Val, you good? Or are you drunk? Or are you drunk?
I'm drinking.
You drunk?
I'm drinking.
Guy.
No airtime. Don't give that fool no
many
fucking airtime. Fuck that fool. Look at him. I got
my White Claw and my IPA.
Hell yeah, White Claw, dude.
I'm tired.
I'm gonna pizza hang with my friends.
I told Alex no for you.
Oh, you could have told her to come back.
I could have. But it was too late when you told me. Wait, come back. Wait, come back. Wait, come back over here.
Hold on. Hey, Edwin.
Come over here.
He's tired.
Come back.
He's tired.
Come back.
I'm tired.
Hey, and my boy can turn up with me.
Hey, Edwin. Jay, that's solid. Those are solid.
If it's not a triple BJ, then
Fuck this guy. I need a triple BJ.
CBJ.
A CBJ. CBJ. What's funnier than 24? What's funnier than 24?
Happy birthday to
a bite.
Oh my god damn! That shit broke.
I'm not gonna lie. If I wasn't gonna go to the boat ride, I was gonna get him this cake. But she beat me to it. She beat me to it. Hey, that's a good one though. That's a good one. That's a good one.
You know what's better than 24? 25.
That's a vibe. She wanna vibe. That's a vibe. Yeah.